Mastering control measures. We obsess over KPIs to prove our organization's excellence. Why do we utilize specific key performance indicators, KPIs, to quantify and assess the attainment of operational excellence within our organization? The quest for operational excellence. It's a journey, not a destination. I recall a particularly enlightening experience that taught me the importance of effective control measures in achieving this elusive goal. It was during my tenure as a consultant to a mid-sized manufacturing firm. The company's production lines were plagued by inefficiencies, resulting in delayed shipments and dissatisfied customers. The CEO, a seasoned executive, was determined to turn things around. He assembled a team of experts, including myself, to identify the root causes of the problem and implement corrective measures. As we delved deeper into the organization, it became apparent that the production teams were operating in silos, with little communication or collaboration between departments. The quality control team, in particular, was struggling to keep up with the volume of goods being produced, leading to a high incidence of defects. Our team decided to focus on implementing a comprehensive quality control system, complete with clear metrics and standards. But we knew that simply introducing new procedures wouldn't be enough. We needed to ensure that the production teams were invested in the process. I recall a particularly tense meeting with the production managers, who were resistant to change and concerned about the added workload. I listened to their concerns, empathizing with their frustrations, and acknowledged the extra effort required to implement the new system. I also emphasized the benefits of improved quality and reduced defects, which would ultimately lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Through gentle prodding and persuasive storytelling, I helped the managers see the bigger picture and understand how their individual contributions would impact the organization's overall performance. By the end of the meeting, they were on board, albeit reluctantly. Next, we turned our attention to developing meaningful key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the success of our quality control efforts. We settled on a combination of metrics, including defect rates, customer satisfaction scores, and production cycle time. These KPIs would provide a clear picture of the organization's progress toward operational excellence. The real challenge lay in ensuring that the production teams understood the significance of these metrics and their role in achieving them. We established a regular reporting system, where team leaders would present their progress to the entire production team. This not only fostered a sense of accountability, but also encouraged healthy competition and collaboration between departments. As the weeks went by, I witnessed a remarkable transformation. Defect rates plummeted, customer satisfaction scores soared, and production cycle times decreased significantly. The production teams, once skeptical, were now proud of their achievements and eager to continue improving. Throughout this process, I was acutely aware of the need to balance empathy with assertiveness, encouraging the teams to take ownership of the new system while maintaining a firm grip on the reins. It was a delicate dance, one that required patience, active listening, and a deep understanding of human psychology. In the end, our efforts paid off. The organization achieved operational excellence, and the CEO was able to breathe a sigh of relief. As I looked back on the experience, I realized that effective control measures are not just about implementing procedures and metrics, they're about winning the hearts and minds of the people who will execute them. Today, as I work with organizations from various industries, I'm reminded of the importance of this lesson. Control measures, no matter how well designed, will falter without the buy-in and engagement of the teams responsible for implementing them. It's a vital distinction, one that requires a nuanced understanding of human emotions and motivations. To achieve operational excellence, organizations use specific key performance indicators, KPIs, to quantify and assess their performance. These KPIs serve as metrics to measure the organization's progress towards its goals and objectives, enabling data-driven decision-making to drive continuous improvement. Effective KPIs provide insights into various aspects of the organization's operations, such as productivity, efficiency, quality, safety, and customer satisfaction. There are several reasons why organizations utilize specific KPIs to evaluate their operational excellence. Firstly, KPIs help to establish clear goals and objectives, ensuring everyone in the organization is working towards the same targets. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART KPIs, organizations can create a sense of direction and focus, facilitating the allocation of resources and prioritization of efforts. Secondly, KPIs provide a quantifiable basis for assessing performance, enabling organizations to identify areas of excellence and those that require improvement. By tracking KPIs over time, organizations can monitor trends, patterns, and anomalies, gaining valuable insights into the effectiveness of their processes and systems. This information can be used to inform strategic decisions, optimize resources, and implement corrective actions to address performance gaps. Thirdly, KPIs facilitate benchmarking and comparison with industry peers, competitors, and best practices. By setting KPI targets that are aligned with industry benchmarks, organizations can evaluate their performance relative to others, driving a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. Fourthly, KPIs enable organizations to balance competing priorities and objectives, ensuring that operational excellence is achieved without compromising other critical aspects of the business. For instance, an organization may need to balance the objective of reducing costs with the need to maintain or improve product quality. Lastly, KPIs help to create a culture of accountability and transparency within the organization. By setting clear expectations and performance targets, individuals and teams are held accountable for their contributions to operational excellence. This promotes a sense of ownership and responsibility, driving collaboration and teamwork to achieve common goals. In terms of selecting the right KPIs, organizations should consider the following factors. 1. Relevance. KPIs should be aligned with the organization's strategic objectives and goals. 2. Measurability. KPIs should be quantifiable, allowing for accurate and reliable measurement. 3. Achievability. KPIs should be challenging yet achievable, ensuring that they are realistic and motivating. 4. Focus. KPIs should be limited in number, focusing on the most critical aspects of the business. 5. Integration. KPIs should be integrated across different functions and levels of the organization, ensuring a cohesive approach to operational excellence. Common KPIs used to quantify operational excellence include 1. Productivity metrics, such as throughput, cycle time, and capacity utilization. 2. Quality metrics, such as defect rates, quality yields, and customer satisfaction ratings. 3. Safety metrics, such as lost time injury rates, total recordable incident rates, and safety audit scores. 4. Customer metrics, such as on-time delivery rates, customer satisfaction ratings, and net promoter scores. 5. Financial metrics, such as revenue growth, cost reduction, and return on investment, ROI. 6. Efficiency metrics, such as asset utilization, energy consumption, and waste reduction. In conclusion, organizations utilize specific KPIs to quantify and assess operational excellence because they provide a framework for achieving strategic objectives, driving continuous improvement, and promoting a culture of accountability and transparency. By selecting the right KPIs and tracking them over time, organizations can create a data-driven approach to operational excellence, driving business success and long-term sustainability.